How to delete apps on an Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn some ways you can delete the application from your Android device. So without any further ado, let us get started. So the first and easiest way to delete an application in your Android is by simply long tapping onto the app and tapping on uninstall. Once done, tap on OK and it will get deleted from your device. Another way you can do the same is by opening up your settings. Head over to your apps. From this various list of applications, search for the application that you want to delete. Here you will see uninstall option at the middle section. Tap onto it and tap onto OK. Just like so, you can also head over to Play Store and search for Facebook or any app that you would like to delete. Then tap on uninstall from here. And these are the 3 ways you could delete your application from your device. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.